In this video, I'll show you how to hide Instagram post from someone. So to hide your Instagram post from someone, all you have to do now, just after you open up your Instagram app like this, now go ahead and find the person that you want to hide you want to hide your Instagram post from him. So let's say if I tap on my profile like this, so if I come to like let's say the person is among my followers or the people that I'm following. So I'll tap on this followers or following. So let's say I want to hide my Instagram post from this person, as you can see now this person one. So open up the person like this. So after you open up the person, as you can see now, tap on this section, this three dot. After you open up this three dot, as you can see now, you can go ahead and tap on this restrict button. So go ahead, tap on this restrict account again. So now as you can see now I restricted this person from seeing everything about my account. So now this person cannot be able to see everything about my account. I restricted him from seeing my post, my Instagram reels, my Instagram story. So this person cannot be able to see everything about me. That's the only option you can do it. For now, there is no any official button to restrict someone from seeing your post on Instagram. This is the only way you can do it. Hope this information helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, guys.